Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Intercontinental Exchange. This is ticker ICE. Now, ICE Baby is breaking out on a day when the rest of the market is breaking down. And so I definitely see some relative strength here in this chart versus the SPY and versus QQQ. You may remember a couple of weeks or months ago, I don't remember when I did the video before, but I mentioned always looking for stocks that are strong in a weak market. And we have that right here with Intercontinental Exchange, where it's breaking out and doing it on heavier than average volume. So I would definitely keep an eye on this stock because this is showing a lot of relative strength. And if we do get a bounce or a bit of a rebound here on SPY, where we come back into this kind of trading box that we've been in for the last couple of months, if we come back into the top end of that box, we should then see ICE Baby continue to give us some nice upside momentum. So I would look for either a pullback bounce off of the 8-day exponential, which has been acting as support ever since it gapped up here on earnings in early February, or look for a momentum move with a follow through to the upside above today's high with an alert in and around 171.75. So that's what I would look for here on Intercontinental Exchange. ICE Baby. I think this chart is pretty cool. That's all the puns I have for the day. I hope that video is helpful. Hey, check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Take a trial, click that link, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.